In this video, I'm going to show you how to get current state in links for Webflow. So, if you have a current state link, for example, but you simply cannot select the current state, here's how you can do it instead, and here's a nifty little trick, okay? So, what you can do is actually create a text link, okay? So just look for text link, and then create one. I'm gonna just put it down here. It doesn't really matter where it goes for this instance. And then what you want to do is under style, you want to use the navbar link, class yet again. So the navbar link class, I want to type in navbar and then link, or essentially whatever you had. So I'm gonna click enter to kind of apply this. There we go. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure this link is actually connected to something that you can use as a current state. So the way you do this is you go into settings, and then down here where there's link settings, you want to go to page, and then you want to choose a page. So for me, I'm going to choose the home page for this instant, but of course you can use whatever you want in your scenario, okay? And then once you do that, if we go back to style, as you can now see, now we have the current, okay? And you successfully basically have the current state on that link. And then what you can do is under the style, you can go to typography and then simply change the color you would like to use. So down here, let's say you want to have kind of a dark blue color, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the color I want. And then you can simply see that the color has been applied and you still have the current state. So that's kind of the idea, and that's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.